Hi, this is David in Traveler's Rest, South Carolina with my greenhouse, ClimaPod greenhouse. This is the south side. It's the middle of the day, so the vents on top are fully open. This is the south side. Here's the front, showing my little poured pad. A few tomatoes growing in there. Vents fully open. 100 degrees inside. Not too bad. 85 or 90 outside. And here is the north side. Got a little bit of ground cover, a few sunflowers. I have plywood for the bottom panels instead of the twin-walled polyethylene, so that I can use the twin wall for another project, such as a cold frame. And finally, here's the northeast corner of my ClimaPod greenhouse.